Hello, I'm going to do the daily challenge. Okay, so we are in Europe. I think like Norway. So if it's Norway, I'm just going to have to look for a road sign. Oh no. Okay, it's probably Russia actually. Although I think like Murmansk area. So we'll see if that ends up being right, but unless I find info, I think that I won't really mind how I do in this round. Because Russia's just too hard to like read and guess, although it's very sandy. I don't know if that means it could be near like Sagut maybe. It's like Sagut sand, but yeah, I'll see if I find info. But yeah, I think I'm going. Okay, I think I'm just going to decide I'm going to go Magadan no, not Murmansk if I don't see anything else. So, now I wonder if it could be like Magadan. Okay, this looks like it maybe has a sign. No, it's annoying. I feel like this place should have a sign. I'm starting to doubt myself a lot. We've got mountains to the south, okay. So probably, well, I really want to find a sign here. Because I think there's a lot of places could be. Okay. I don't think that's too helpful. Oh, I guess a phone call would be good. 8-1, yeah, it is Murmansk. But is it like Murmansk, or just around Murmansk? Sok. The place that begins with, big. I think I'll just actually click Murmansk. I guess technically 8-1 goes all the way down to like St. Petersburg, but I'm fairly confident it's up here. And yeah, it is. Well, although actually Olenegorsk, whatever, but I think that's still a pretty good guess. Okay, now we've got Thailand. So, okay, divided highway. Interesting. Okay, we're on the 12 actually. Okay, so that should be very easy to spot. Or it should be. Okay, yeah, here it is. And Tak is to the east. Interesting. It looks like, considering Tak's on the western border. No, maybe there's a city called, I'm not sure. AH1. Or my thought is to the south. Oh yeah, my thought's here, yeah. Okay, and what's the angle of this road? It's like this, so does it? It's not. Okay, it doesn't look like it bends, which is okay. I think it's here, yeah. I'm gonna go back to the start. Okay, so I go north, south, east, south. Okay, so this is a square. Okay, so if I go south quite a bit, I get to it. So it's just gonna be somewhere along north of here. And it's interesting, the place he spawned on, I think it was like pretty much a square, wasn't it? Like if I go north, Okay, and yeah, so it's quite, yeah, it's like a, because it reminds me of this. Okay, I'm gonna line it. Okay, we spawn an intersection, so like 4 into. Oh no, or was it this I was thinking of? It's one of like things around here, so. Okay, let's go southeast, and I feel like we have to go fairly far south as right off to the west there, and then it's quite bendy as well before we get there, so I'm just gonna guess around here and 4999, that's still very good. South Africa time. Okay, no regional phone code. Calfontaine, that might be the name of the place. Often there's not much information in places like this, so I'm going to need to. Okay, 011. What? Joburg. I guess it is going to be information in a place like this. It was like Calfontaine, wasn't it? I'm pretty sure. Okay, maybe Guessworks. Scan for that as well. I don't know that's the name of Guessworks, the name of the place it's in. But okay, I'll just go back to the start, and it's Calfontaine. I'm going to look for another name of a place. And we can actually see quite far. Yeah, it definitely looks like somewhere like in Johannesburg. There's quite a lot of stuff going on here. Yeah, Calfontaine Butchery. So we are in a place called Calfontaine. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem like I'm gonna find that. Now, I'm pretty sure the sign that said like Joburg probably means we are pretty much into Johannesburg. Okay, this looks like kind of the main road. You see quite a bit. Okay, I'm just going to guess the middle. And it's up here. How I should have seen that. It's fine. I only lost 75 health, but it's annoying still. And we're on the Christmas Island. Okay, let's see if we can 5k this. So to the west, we see something that looks. What does this look like? Also, in a bit of a kind of a town, which is worth noting. I'm going to say we're in Flying Fish Cove. And I'm going to go at this angle. If it goes southwest along it, reach the road going northwest. And then, okay, so it does a turn. Now it's like this, and that could be the same road actually. I'm curious if this is a dead end. I think it could be a dead. Yeah, it is. That's good. Okay, so we're here, and southeast. Okay, so I think we started here. Nice. Okay, that's quite an easy round. And what have we got here? Okay, right. So it looks like Spain, I guess. Okay, it looks like a dead end. That also looks like a dead end. Interesting. It might not be Spain, but I thought Calais was Spanish word, so... Okay, well I just went through that closed gate. Nice. This is an interesting place. Okay, does this have a sign on? Okay, so it is Spain. That's good to know that. Okay, here's a sign. A lot of info on. And it looks like there's other signs around here too. I'm going to look for N502. Here it is. Poland. It looks quite long. Well, is Poland obviously along that? No. Okay, A5 to the west is here, but it goes down like here. I'm gonna look at this sign. You nice to have a distance as well. Okay, Poland is kind of to the southwest, which can't guess there's somewhere around there. Of course, I don't really see Poland. Ards. Is Ards anywhere around here? No, I don't see it. It's probably a sign like here as well. Yes, like CM401. That's, but there's so much stuff at signable. I'm gonna guess and next. And what does this say? Okay, Toledo to the east. Well, that doesn't it. We're probably here. I'm just gonna Calais de Picasso. Yeah, we might not be here at all, but I don't like looking at all those complicated signs. I'm just going to try and 5k. And okay, we're in Toledo. Whoops. Okay, did pretty well. And 7th in the UK. And how long? This like it took me over a minute. It felt like it took less than a minute. And this person and this person basically did it at the same time as me as well. I thought, okay, well, that was a pretty good daily challenge. 24,409 points. Okay, goodbye.